Hi, welcome to a new episode of From Our Kitchen to Yours. I'm Maverick, and today we're in our outdoor patio set. And when I first saw this space, I saw this rad outdoor fire pit, and it just made me think of roasting marshmallows and drinking spiked hot chocolate. So today we're gonna use this awesome grill, the refrigeration, and we're gonna make some hot chocolate with rum and fresh marshmallows. Before we get in there, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel, and let's make some hot chocolate. To start, we're gonna make chocolate ganache, which I've got right here, and we're gonna use that later. But to get you to that point, we gotta melt the chocolate. So I've got 70% dark chocolate right here. I've got brown sugar right here, and we're gonna set up a double boiler on the grill. That might sound a little intimidating, but really what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna simmer a pot of water, and I'm gonna put a mixing bowl on top of it, and we're gonna whisk the chocolate until it melts. In an ideal world, you'll make your chocolate ganache about a day in advance. You just want to refrigerate it so it has a chance to set, and then you get it to this consistency, which is this really nice, like almost ice cream. Per serving, I'd say about 1/3 of a cup of chocolate ganache to about 8 ounces of milk or milk substitute. In this case, I'm going to be using oat milk. So about 8 ounces. And then we're gonna stir that right in there, and then we're gonna get that back onto the heat. And it really works well to use an already warmed pot to melt the chocolate and to get that consistency right. So at this point, I'm also gonna throw some booze in there, and I'm using Puerto Rican rum in this case. You can do it with whiskey, you can throw some Kahlua in there. Really any spirit that you prefer, but I like some spiced rum. And so I'm gonna do, this is a single serving, so I'm gonna do 1 shot. This way of making it is gonna cook off a little bit of the alcohol. If you want it to be a little bit stronger, you can add the rum in at the end. So you wanna whisk it together to make sure it's completely integrated. So I'm gonna let that come to a simmer, and then we're gonna hit it with the immersion blender, and we're gonna be ready to serve. So there you have it, some spiked hot chocolate with rum. If you want to find this recipe, you can click the links below for the marshmallows as well as the hot chocolate. And tune into the next episode of From Our Kitchen to Yours. And if you like this video and other content like this, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.